Enjoy the fresh, 100% natural choice in cottage cheese.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
I have COPD. If you have it, you know how hard it can be to breathe and what that feels like. COPD includes chronic bronchitis and emphysema. Spiriva helps control my COPD symptoms by keeping my airways open a full 24 hours. Plus, it reduces COPD flare-ups. Spiriva is the only once-daily inhaled COPD maintenance treatment that does both, and it's steroid-free.
Spiriva does not replace fast-acting inhalers for sudden symptoms. Tell your doctor if you have kidney problems, glaucoma, trouble urinating, or an enlarged prostate. These may worsen with Spiriva. Discuss all medicines you take, even eye drops. Stop taking Spiriva and call your doctor right away if your breathing suddenly worsens, your throat or tongue swells, you get hives, vision changes or eye pain, or problems passing urine. Other
Wednesday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 7 will be part of a nationwide test of the emergency alert system.
Every station, every channel is running this test at the very same time, but we don't want you to worry. It's only a test.
Thanks for watching 7.
On November 9th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, radio and TV stations around the country will conduct a nationwide test. Will resume. When you receive the test alert on November 9th, remember, it's just a test. In the meantime, please help me spread the word to your friends, coworkers, and family members that this is just a test. And thanks for your help.
Overweight? Has it gotten so out of control that you've considered liposuction or other surgery? Well, you're not alone. Many of us have simply given up the hope to lose weight.
Body fat builds over our midsection on top of the muscle underneath the skin. And over the years, it gets worse. Body fat increases from having kids, stress at work, lack of exercise, and poor diet. Now, liposuction is a surgical procedure that removes this body fat.
Liposuction surgery can be dangerous.
$29 value, yours free. Imagine the money you'll save each month, but you must call now.
Call 1-888-264-5151 or log on to mypapermate.com to order. That's 1-888-264-5151 or log on to mypapermate.com. Call now.
We knew we needed life insurance, but we didn't know where to get it, or if we could afford it.
Enough to cover funeral costs and
nationwide live code test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.